What is going on, y'all guys? I'm back with another video, and today's vlog, I'm just gonna be giving y'all a little drive, a little POV. Before we start this video, I don't know if y'all can hear those pops and burbles in the background, but it sounds very good right now. But before we start the video, drop a comment below with some video ideas. Hold on. Alright, before we start the video, guys, drop a comment below what y'all want to see, some video ideas. I really need some help with that. Just bring some entertainment to the channel. Bring what y'all guys want to see. Whether it's new mods, anything y'all want me to talk about, anything like that. But right now, we are going to get the car wash. Alright guys, so I don't know if I posted the last vlog yet that I had recorded. I don't know if I posted the last video that I recorded, but my tire, they fixed the tire twice and still was back to the same thing all over again. So I don't know if they messed up my tire pressure sensor or whatever they did, but yeah, I might have to get that replaced. But good thing that part is only about $20-30 OEM, so but still I shouldn't have to pay for it because I didn't mess it up. But you know, I guess that's how it works. Because when I went to them the second time, they said, oh, this wasn't like this. But hey, it wasn't like that. I never even had my tires touch until I went to those guys, because they still were brand new tires. And this is the first time I switched my tires out from when they were bought to brand new tires, and now I'm having this issue here. So I'll be going back to them for probably the third, fourth time, and next time it's probably going to be a different situation because this keeps happening. Like I said, second, third time, whatever. Ooh, there's a Durango coming up. I don't think, yeah, y'all guys won't be able to see it. But yeah, I can't be riding low on one. Oh, motorcycle almost crashed. Jersey driver and one is a New York driver, of course. But those burbles, man, them burbles sound good. See if I can hear it. Well, see if y'all can hear better with the sunroof open. And I throw it in manual mode. Self-lift wash bays. Hold on.
restrictions on the signs ahead.
Here we
And
go,
thank you
guys.
again for your car wash purchase.
Let's go. Go in. Get this bad boy cleaned up.
Please place car in park.
But yeah, man, flip this around real quick. Let me know what video ideas and what videos y'all guys want to see from me. I got a few mods sitting at the house, just waiting to be done, waiting for the right time. I've been working a lot, so I really haven't had time to sit down, put videos together, upload. But I'm gonna start working on that, because if not, then it's not gonna build, because this is also another job. This is hard, actually. Like, you might think it's easy, but it's actually hard. Alright guys, we are done now. So next I'm gonna get some gas real quick, throw some 94 in here. I got 50 miles left. Crazy part is I threw about like $30 in here yesterday, and it only got me like 100 miles in the tank. And as you can see, not even a whole day later of driving, and right back to a quarter. So that's that. And I just went the wrong way. Shoot. Guys, so I just finished getting gas. The gas here is $5.50, $5.50, $5.60, something like that. Look at this GT. I was actually gonna get my car this color, but that's actually the color I wanted, that indigo blue. But when I was looking, I didn't see any, and the ones that I did see were slim body. And of course I wanted a wide body. So you're just checking things off the list right now. I'm going to a spot right now to take a few pictures, and then we can get on the road, take a little drive. But it's actually down like a little back road, not even like a back road, it's like a little lot. Some miles in, run some gas. Oh, it's in eco mode. I don't know why it started off in eco mode. Yeah, I need to turn that off. Don't even need to be in, well, I'm gonna turn it off, but you don't even need to be in auto. Throw that custom on. So look, remember, I was just at 50 miles, 55 miles. I threw $30 in, and I'm only at 100 now. Nuts. I need to check my miles per gallon. I remember, it's not miles per gallon, it's miles per gallon. I believe that's the saying. Alright guys, so here's the lot I was talking about. Well, like a little back road or whatever. So you can just give it a walk around since I got the car wash and I didn't show y'all too much. Yeah. So there it goes. Clean. Clean. Make sure I like, subscribe, and follow the IG PLV page. Like, follow, subscribe, Instagram, YouTube. Alright, whoa, they just got somebody. That's crazy. But I am back, guys. If y'all want to see them pictures, tune in to my Instagram. Hello? Yo. Alright guys, thank you for watching the vlog. I'll see y'all guys next vlog. And stay tuned for more. Don't forget to drop a comment below.